guys, it's that time. We're going to take on the challenge of the flat bar. How do we approach it? Well, let's go over that. Your typical first trick is going to be a board slide. So for me as a goofy person, I want to do what's called backside board slide. That means the rail is on my backside as I approach it. I'm going to do an example right now of a board slide. So, as with that board slide, there's a few things you want to make sure you're focused on. One is the angle you're approaching this rail. We do not want to come at an angle at the rail. Instead, we want to be parallel with the rail. Also, when approaching the rail, we do not want to level with the rail. One of my key rules is, above the rail, never fail. Stoop to the level, you're in trouble. Where we're going wrong is when I go to approach the rail, I pop and I try to level the board on there. Instead, I want to pop above the height and lock onto the rail. Once you get onto the rail, we need to get off the rail. So once my body's onto the rail, I am balancing and I'm turning my hips out at the end, going back to my original stance. Guys, if you like the content you guys are seeing on this page here, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and give us some likes and comments. We enjoy all of it. Thank you and stay blessed.